What happens if you eat water and drink food?
It's not possible. It can't be done.
How do you explain soup then?
I mean, like, soup's something else.
Captain Starlight is from outer space, so he's getting Earth kids to explain it to them.
How long have you been on Earth?
10 whole whopping years. Yes, I am an Earth expert indeed.
What are the top 3 things I should know about being on Earth?
Do not step in dog poop.
What happens if you do step in dog poop?
Your expensive white sneakers get dirty.
What about number 2?
When traveling in a savannah, never throw a rock at a lion.
Why?
Because if you do, the lion will get angry and it will come after you. Grrr! I'm gonna eat you up. I'm hungry. How dare you throw a rock at me? I'm coming after you now.
Number 3.
You need to drink water and eat food. You need it to survive. Water is very essential for living, otherwise you get dehydrated. And food stops you from starving. It's like medicine.
Can I ask a question?
Yes?
What happens if you eat water and drink food?
It's not possible. It can't be done.
How do you explain soup then?
I mean, like, soup's something else.
Is soup considered a drink or a food?
A food.
Then why can you drink it?
Because it has a liquidy stuff in it.
So it's drinkable, but food.
Yes.
Mystery solved. At what point did you become an Earth expert?
And I finally learned that these 3 things are essential. Don't step in dog poop, never throw a rock at a lion, and eat food and drink water, unless it's soup.
Captain Starlight is from outer space, so he's getting Earth kids to explain it to them.
Grrr!